Available automatic parking assist can automatically shift gears, brake, and steer into a detected parallel or perpendicular parking space while the driver monitors. It uses sensors at the front, rear, and sides to detect a parallel or perpendicular parking spot. To use this feature, press the Auto Park Assist button on your center display. You'll see parallel and perpendicular parking options. Tap the most appropriate option for your situation. When a space is detected, you'll see the Spot Found message on your center display. You can then start the maneuver by tapping the Yes Park button. During automatic parking, your vehicle moves at idle speed as it steers into the space, and all the information you need will be shown on your center display, like the front or rear camera view while parking, and the progress bar, which shows the status. You'll hear beeps as each maneuver is completed. Once done, you'll hear a beep and see a Parking Complete message on your center display. Automatic Parking Assist can also help you partially unpark your vehicle, pointing you into traffic so you can easily exit the space. Visit Buick.com/support for more details.